Hello everyone, welcome to Egg Chinese. From today, we will start the Pinyin based on English. So this is our website at chinese.com, and this is a QR code for our website. Today we will talk about 5 topics from 1 to 5. So the first one is the introduction to Chinese and Pinyin. Second one, 2 meanings of Pinyin. The third topic, 2 parts of Pinyin. For Pinyin pronunciation will never change. Topic 5, the whole Pinyin table and its 3 categories. So let's move on to the objects first. So the objects of this part are as below. First, you can pronounce the whole Pinyin table as below. Also, you can pronounce 4 different tones. Okay, let's move on to the first topic, introduced to Chinese and Pinyin. First, Pinyin and Chinese characters. Pinyin is used for pronunciation in Chinese listening and speaking, while the Chinese character is used in reading and writing. And a Chinese sentence is 1 or more Chinese words, and a Chinese word is 1 or more Chinese characters. Each Chinese character has a pinyin for speaking or pronunciation. For example, this is a Chinese character here, and its meaning in English is you. And this is a pinyin for speaking, and we can map it to the pronunciation of English. For example, N here, the pronunciation is as no, N in the no. And this I pronunciation is as double E in the English word see. So if we put them together, it will be ni, without tongue. So now we know this character has a pinyin, and we map it to English. So finally, this character will be pronounced as ni without tongue. So a pinyin is a single syllable, while an English word may have multiple syllables. So here we want to emphasize a character has only 1 pinyin at one time, and a pinyin is only a single syllable. Next, let's have a look at Pinyin. So Pinyin is the pronunciation of the Chinese character. Pinyin letters are almost the same as 26 English letters. A pinyin is a single syllable, while an English word may have multiple syllables. This part, we will focus on the basic ability of Mandarin Chinese listening and speaking. There is no Chinese writing in this part. Let's start to learn Chinese speaking first, or let's start to learn Pinyin or the pronunciation of the Chinese character first. Now let's move on to the next topic, 2 meanings of Pinyin. So the first meaning is to spell or represent the pronunciation by English letters. So this is the first meaning of pinyin. And the second meaning is we can put more than one pronunciations of letters together to form a single syllable for a character. So in practice, we mainly use the second function of pinyin, or the second meaning of pinyin. We will put some letters together to form a single syllable for a character. Let's move on to the third topic, two parts of pinyin. So a pinyin equals a consonant plus a vowel, or a vowel combination only without a consonant. So this is similar as English. For example, these English words, see, say, now, each of them is formed by a consonant plus a vowel. Also a pinyin could be a vowel or a vowel combination without a consonant at the beginning. This is also similar as English. For example, this English word, ear, it's just a vowel combination without a consonant at the beginning. So both cases are possible. Okay, let's move on to the fourth topic. Pinyin pronunciation will never change. So the pronunciation of a consonant or a vowel combination may be changed in English. For example, the pronunciation of English letter I could be as 5 or as in pin. So in these two English words, I has different pronunciations. The pronunciation of a consonant or a vowel combination is fixed and will never change in Chinese Pinyin. For example, the pronunciation of letter I is always as double E in the English word see. So the letter I's pronunciation will always be double E. It will never change. Also, the mappings from Pinyin pronunciations to English pronunciations will never change either. So this makes it easier to learn Pinyin than English pronunciations. So this is a very important and a significant difference between Pinyin pronunciation and English pronunciation. That is, Pinyin pronunciation will never change. Next, let's move on to the fifth topic, the whole Pinyin table and its 3 original categories. So let's have a look at the whole Pinyin table. It includes 23 plus 24 plus 16, that is 63 Pinyin letters or combinations as below. So first of all, 23 consonants as below. So here, please note Y is used as a consonant to start a pinyin, but it is pronounced as the vowel I. As a vowel, the letter I. And this letter I, its pronunciation is always as a double E in the English word see. So if Y is used to start a pinyin, its pronunciation is E. Next, 6 vowels and 18 vowel combinations. So we'll put them together, makes 24 vowel combinations like this. So we will discuss their pronunciations mapped to English pronunciations later. The third category, 6 Pinyin's pronunciations to be simplified. So these are 16. These Pinyin pronunciations could be simplified. So they are just some special cases. So we will discuss about them later. So let's have a look at some details of 3 categories. So first category, Pinyin pronunciations, the same based on the above Pinyin letters. So we can see these 3 categories as the original 3 categories. And here we divide them into 3 new categories. Category 1, Category 2, and Category 3. So Category 1, Pinyin pronunciations, the same as English. So there are 23 Pinyin letters. So these Pinyin letters have the same pronunciations as English. Most of them are consonants. For example, the letters B, P, M, F, they have the same pronunciations as English. Category 2, Pinyin pronunciations mapping to English. There are 21 Pinyin letters or combinations. These Pinyin have the one-to-one pronunciation mappings to English. For example, the letter A is mapped to AR in car. So this letter, its pronunciation is always and the letter I is always mapped to EE. So its pronunciation is E. So category 3, 2 special cases of Pinyin pronunciations, including 19 Pinyin letters or combinations. So we will talk about them a little bit later. So for today, these are the 5 topics we have already talked about. Let's wrap it here. Thank you, everyone.